You don't need to be Tarantino or Coppola to write a great script. When it comes to video marketing, all you need is a solid framework. To kick things off, think about the big picture. Don't get straight into the nitty-gritty. Just create a basic outline of the goals you want to accomplish. Next, create your hook, something that will immediately grab the viewer's attention. Think more about the tone and voice. Does this fit the brand? Does it connect with the target audience? Is this sparking the reaction that I want it to? From that point on, it's simply a matter of telling a story. Look for moments where you can build tension, solve a problem, and engage the viewer emotionally. And always remember to finish on a call to action. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.